Hey everyone, it's Cole from A+ Power Sports. I'm going to show you how to connect your ride command screen on the sled to your ride command account on your phone. So you can share everything from your phone. You can map out rides. I'll show you how to do that quickly and then send it to your ride command screen so you guys are able to see turn-by-turn instructions how to drive everywhere. All right, the first thing we're going to start with is the basics. We're just going to hook our phone to the screen using Bluetooth. We'll get to the Wi-Fi and the ride command after we do this, but let's start with this step. First, we'll go to the logo at the top. We're going to click on phone, and we're going to add phone or headset. So now when we go to our phone settings, I have an iPhone, but Android might be a little different. We go to Bluetooth, and I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. This sled has never been hooked up to the, there it is. So either one, we'll click on it, and on the screen, make sure your numbers match, pair it. I'm going to allow all my contacts and favorites to sync to the ride command screen. That way I can see who's calling me. All right, now we're going to hook up our phone to the ride command screen using our Bluetooth hotspot so we can actually use the ride command and let them interface together. So go back up to here. We're going to all settings. Now you'll see everything here. We're going to go to general. When we're in general, not everyone is going to have this Wi-Fi logo, and that is okay. It's still going to work the same, but for the people that do have the Wi-Fi, that's just how your screen has to interact with it. So we'll click on Wi-Fi, and we're going to connect it to our phone. So we're able to hook up to our Wi-Fi at our house if we want to, but it's a lot easier to just hook to your phone, and just so you're always using that when you're up north. So we go to personal hotspot. Turn on allow others to join. That would be the first step. There we go. Now it says Cole's iPhone on the screen. So we'll log in. I have a password on mine, so I have to log in so people can't steal it if I'm just walking around. Now we are connected to our Wi-Fi. So now what this will do is allow us to go to our ride command account using the screen. So again, go back to general, and at the top it'll tell you ride command account. And now that we're connected through Wi-Fi, or if you don't have the Wi-Fi logo on the top, all you have to do is turn on your hotspot on your cell phone and be connected through Bluetooth, and this should work. You go to log into your account, account ID. Okay, so we're logging into our ride command account right now. So we click save. Now my password is going to come up. So enter your password in, hit save, and now this is the part that some people get stuck on because this is halfway normal to happen. Sometimes you have to do this a few times. So I'm glad it's happening on video so you guys aren't at home thinking it's not going to work. It will, I promise. Just work through it here. There we go. Now it's logged in. So now the important part to get your actual rides to go from your phone, or that are saved in the phone, onto the ride command screen is sync to account. So turn that on, and it takes a little bit. These are not, there we go. It's pretty fast. It's loading all of my tracks, places, and my different routes. So that's it. It's logged in now. So when I go back to my maps, it's going to locate, because I'm inside of a steel building. But I still should have places and rides saved here. So if you want to see them on, you will turn on the eyeball. If you don't want to see them, turn them off. You should only have to do this one time. Make sure once you download all your maps to it, you disconnect on your phone and turn off your Bluetooth or turn off your hotspot. So once you've routed everything connected to it, go back to our personal hotspot and we turn it off. We don't need it anymore. Once it's saved in the ride command screen, it's saved in here. But I shut everything off, otherwise it's really annoying driving around with everything on. So we'll do that. Another cool thing with it is if you click the little arrow to the side, you can edit. So I can change the name. If I want this trail, we can change the color of it. So you can change the color of the map, how it is, but I don't want to see them all. So I'm just going to go through and shut those all off. All right, lastly on the ride command screen, let's say you went riding all day and you went on a trail that you really liked and you want to save it to your phone now. It's really easy to do. You click, you turn on your Bluetooth and make sure that you have your personal hotspot on and the sleds are connected to the phone. It should automatically connect every time, but you'll click transfer and that'll transfer everything over. I have no network connection, which we understand, but it'll walk you through how to reconnect and everything. You could also put it onto a USB stick if you wanted to, but with the Polaris Ride Command app, it's way easier just to send it to your phone. All right, that's a quick look at how to connect your Ride Command screen on the sled to your Ride Command account on your phone. Now, as you saw how I was kind of struggling getting it to, it was saying network unavailable or account unavailable. You're gonna have to try it a couple times. They're not perfect, they will link, and once they're linked, they're perfect, but it takes it a while to get there. So try it, make sure you have your password and your email incorrect, and just keep trying it, but it will work. If you guys have questions, you can always call me, leave a comment in the section below. It'd be awesome if you guys could help each other out in the comments if there were a lot of questions, but it's a pretty easy process once you see it done. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And if you want to see what I have in stock right now, check out aplusride.com.